Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Okay, she previously detangled, shampooed, deep conditioned, washed her hair. She did all of that herself.
Because she did.
So we braided it while it was wet, and she sat under the hooded dryer. So now we're going to do a twist out. Okay, guys, this is her hair, bone dry. She doesn't have any moisturizer, any styling aid, nothing. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer to see her hair. That shine is from using the Smooth Through Detangler as a deep conditioner. She has nothing on her hair, no oils, no moisturizers, nothing. My hands are dry. Nothing on her hair. So now we're going to flat twist it, and I will be right back. Sorry guys, you hear my dryer and everything going in the background. This is our real life. I'm doing multiple heads at once, so I apologize for that if that bothers you, but this is our real life. I'm showing you guys our real life. I'm adding the Perfect Assist styling aid to her hair at the root and at the ends. The ends are the oldest and most fragile part of her hair, and the root, because she is a dancer, as a lot of you know, and her hair sweats, and the styling aid not only moisturizes, but it helps to fight frizz. It helps to keep her hair from having an odor after she dances. I twisted that twist before, but I didn't like it, so I retwisted it again. Okay, I flat twisted the first two. As you can see, she has that gorgeous coil, but I need to weigh her hair down so it doesn't shrink a lot. So I have these little flexi rod. I couldn't find my perm rod roller, so what I'm going to do, okay, I want to keep this coil, but I need to weigh this down. See, so I'm putting this on here just to weigh her hair down. See, I wanted to weigh her hair down. So okay. Okay, I have pre-parted her hair into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections across the back. Hold your head back so you can see the part pattern. That's how I'm going to part her hair to flat twist it going down. So I'll let you guys see it in un momento. With me flat twisting her hair like this is going to create dimension. That means the twists are not going to all be one size. Some are going to be a little slimmer than others, more defined, more coiled than others, and that's what gives you a nice dimensional twist out. To me, it adds a little flavor to the twist out. You can do them all the same size and all of your twists will be uniform, but I'm not really a uniform person. I like kind of free style type hairstyles. When I curl my hair, I don't like my layers, my curls exactly the same. I kind of like them free flowing. So that's kind of how I am with my twist outs as well. So I just like them just kind of free flowing. And because, oh yeah, back, this top part is skinnier Wait a minute, I'm out of focus. Hold your head all the way back. Because this top part right here is skinnier, your twists are going to be a little tighter. And as it comes down, the twists are going to be a little looser because the hair is thicker. So just so you know, for a point of reference or information, the smaller the part, the tighter the coil of the twist. The bigger the part, the more it comes out like a beachy wave kind of look. So if you want like big, more waves instead of coils, like I like the old school telephone cord kind of look. That's the kind of twist I like when I untwist my girl's hair. So that's the kind of look I'm going for. So if you like hold your head back, a wavier, more like a beach wave, then you part bigger sections. If you like more of a tighter coil, then you part smaller sections. So that's why this section is kind of starts small and it gets wider. Okay guys, this is what I want to show you. Sit up some. Her hair is about 50 to 60% dry, but you see how she hasn't had a lot of shrinkage. So her hair is able to dry but not shrink, because once you twist it, it shrinks, and then because I sprayed it with water, it was wet, it shrinks more. So because I put these on the end, they're like little weights. So as you can see how her hair is still elongated, because normally it'll shrink up to about like right here if I don't put a weight on it to keep her hair stretched out. So this is almost finished. Her head down. I want her to sit under the dryer a little while longer. Now when I tell you guys to sit under the dryer, you see how moisturized her twists look off bat. Like I haven't even untwisted them yet. But you see how moisturized and how healthy her hair looks. And that's only because of the styling aid and her sitting under the dryer. So what the dryer does is it lifts her cuticles, the heat lifts her cuticles, and it allows the styling aid to go in there and moisturize her hair. So her hair looks almost fake because it's so moisturized. It looks like twist. So she's going to tie it up. It's still not completely dry. Like I said, it's about what? 50 to 60% dry. It's still not completely dry, like some of the chunkier parts of her twist are still not dry, but that's okay. So she's got most of it done. So what I'm going to do now is tie her hair up. She's going to tie her hair down, put her bonnet on, and then she's going to sleep under the dryer. She's going to sleep under the dryer. I mean, not sleep under the dryer. She's going to go to bed, put her bonnet on, and then in the morning, just to ensure that her hair is completely dry, because there's nothing worse than taking your time to do a twist out, and when you start to untwist your hair, it's not completely dry. That's the worst. So in order for us not to have that problem, she's going to tie her hair down. All she's going to do is tie a scarf around this part like so, and then put her bonnet on over it, so this can all hang to the back. So it'll be like that. And then in the morning, she's going to take her scarf and bonnet off, get back under the dryer for about maybe like 30 minutes just to ensure that it's completely dry. And then I'll show you guys the finished look. Guys, her hair is a medium density. So the bottom of her twist that I'm twisting out now at the bottom, I make that a little fuller because she's not wearing her hair in a twist out. She's wearing like a messy bun. She wanted her hair to look kind of unkept but very textured. As you can see, the bottom is a lot fuller than the top, and that was intentional because she was pulling it all up. But let us take a look at all of that definition at the top, which is what she wanted. She wanted more definition at the top because she likes to wear those little Mickey Mouse ear buns and things like that. So she wanted to have her hair messy but kept looking, and I hope that makes sense because it made perfect sense to her. She knew exactly what she wanted. So all I did was make sure a lot of the definition was at the top and the center, and put more volume around the sides and the bottom, so when she wore her hair in a ponytail, it'll look bigger and fuller than it is, and you'll see that in the picture. As you can see, it looks fuller. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.